welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an extraordinary adventure, a journey that will transport us to some of the most breathtaking landscapes our planet has to offer. We will traverse continents, not by air, but by rail, experiencing the world at a gentler pace, allowing the beauty of our surroundings to truly captivate us. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore some of the most scenic train journeys in the world. Our journey begins high in the Swiss Alps, a realm of towering peaks and pristine glaciers. Here we board the Glacier Express, a train renowned for its leisurely pace and panoramic windows, perfectly framing the majestic views that lie ahead. As we glide along, the landscape unfolds like a living tapestry. Snow-capped mountains pierce the sky, their slopes adorned with emerald forests. Crystal-clear rivers rush through deep gorges, their waters reflecting the azure heavens above. We pass charming villages, their chalets adorned with brightly colored flowers, seemingly frozen in time. The air is crisp and clean, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. The Glacier Express is not about speed, it's about savoring the journey. It allows us to truly immerse ourselves in the grandeur of the Alps, to appreciate the intricate details of this awe-inspiring landscape. We witness the power of nature, the forces that have shaped these mountains over millennia. Glaciers, rivers, and time itself have carved this majestic landscape, leaving us to marvel at their artistry. As we descend into valleys, the scenery transforms. Lush meadows dotted with grazing cattle replace the rugged peaks. Vineyards cling to the slopes, their vines heavy with grapes, promising a bountiful harvest. The Glacier Express is a testament to the ingenuity of engineering and the allure of slow travel. It's a journey that stays with you long after you disembark, a symphony of sights and sounds that captures the very essence of the Swiss Alps. Our next adventure takes us across the Atlantic to the rugged wilds of Canada, where we board the Rocky Mountaineer, a train synonymous with luxury and unparalleled views. Our journey begins amidst towering peaks, their slopes cloaked in dense forests of pine and spruce. The air is alive with the scent of cedar and damp earth, a symphony of wilderness. As we ascend into the heart of the Rockies, the landscape transforms. Glaciers, remnants of a bygone era, cling to the mountaintops, their icy tongues reaching down towards turquoise lakes. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs, their roar echoing through the valleys. It is a scene of raw, untamed beauty, a testament to the power and majesty of the natural world. The Rocky Mountaineer is not just a train journey, it's a window into the history of the Canadian West. As we traverse this rugged landscape, we learn of the pioneers and explorers who ventured into this wilderness, forging a path through this challenging terrain. We hear tales of the First Nations people, who have called these mountains home for millennia, their culture and traditions deeply intertwined with the land. It's a reminder that we are merely passing through, guests in this ancient and awe-inspiring landscape. The Rocky Mountaineer offers a level of comfort and luxury that enhances the journey. Gourmet meals are served in elegant dining cars, while panoramic windows provide uninterrupted views of the ever-changing scenery. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the peaks, we witness a breathtaking spectacle. The sky erupts in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting the mountains in hues of orange, gold, and purple. It's a fitting end to an unforgettable journey, a reminder that the Canadian Rockies are a place of both raw beauty and profound tranquility. Chapter 3. The Transalpine Unveiling New Zealand's Splendor. Our journey now takes us to the Southern Hemisphere, to the island nation of New Zealand, a land of dramatic contrasts and breathtaking scenery. Here, we embark on the Transalpine, a train journey that traverses the South Island, showcasing its diverse landscapes. Our journey begins in Christchurch, a city rebuilt with resilience after a devastating earthquake. As we leave the city behind, the landscape transforms before our eyes. We enter the Canterbury Plains, a vast expanse of farmland where sheep graze peacefully against a backdrop of snow-capped mountains. The air is fresh and clean, carrying the scent of freshly cut grass and wildflowers. As we climb higher, the Canterbury Plains give way to the Southern Alps, a formidable mountain range that dominates the landscape. The train hugs the cliffs, offering breathtaking views of the valleys below. We pass through tunnels carved through solid rock, emerging into hidden valleys, each more picturesque than the last. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs, their waters a torrent of white against the dark rock. The Transalpine is a journey of dramatic contrasts. We transition from the wide open spaces of the Canterbury Plains to the rugged beauty of the Southern Alps, each landscape more captivating than the last. One of the highlights of our journey is Arthur's Pass National Park, a wilderness area of unparalleled beauty. Here, we find ourselves surrounded by towering peaks, ancient forests, and pristine rivers. The air is alive with the sound of birdsong, a symphony of nature that fills the air. We may even be fortunate enough to spot some of New Zealand's unique bird life, such as the mischievous kea, a mountain parrot known for its intelligence and curiosity. As we descend from the mountains, the landscape softens once more. We enter the West Coast region, a land of lush rainforests, wild rivers, and rugged coastlines. The Transalpine journey is a testament to the diversity and beauty of New Zealand's South Island. It's a journey that will stay with you long after you disembark, a reminder of the raw power and captivating beauty of the natural world. Chapter 4. The West Highland Line, a Scottish tapestry of lochs and glens. Our next adventure takes us to the rugged Scottish Highlands, a land of ancient castles, mist-shrouded lochs, and windswept moorlands. Here we embark on the West Highland Line, a train journey that captures the very essence of Scotland's wild beauty. Our journey begins in Glasgow, a city steeped in history and industrial heritage. As we leave the city behind, the landscape transforms, revealing the true heart of Scotland. Rolling hills give way to towering mountains, their slopes cloaked in heather and gorse. Deep valleys carved by glaciers long ago cut through the landscape, their slopes dotted with sheep and the occasional Highland cow. The air is heavy with the scent of peat and damp earth, a fragrance that speaks of the wildness of this land. As we travel deeper into the Highlands, the scenery becomes increasingly dramatic. We pass lochs, their waters a mirror to the sky, reflecting the ever-changing moods of the Highlands. Ruins of ancient castles dot the landscape, silent sentinels of a bygone era, whispering tales of battles fought and won. The West Highland Line is a journey through history as much as it is through breathtaking scenery. We are traveling through the land of clans and kilts, of bagpipes and whiskey, where legends and folklore are woven into the very fabric of the landscape. One of the most iconic sights on our journey is the Glenfinnan Viaduct, a masterpiece of Victorian engineering that has become synonymous with the Scottish Highlands. Its graceful arches, spanning a deep valley, have graced countless postcards and films, including the Harry Potter series, where it served as a backdrop for the Hogwarts Express. As we cross the viaduct, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. It's a moment that captures the magic of train travel, the ability to connect us to places we've only dreamed of. Our journey continues through remote glens, their beauty both haunting and serene. The West Highland Line is a journey that stays with you long after you disembark, a reminder of the wild beauty and enduring spirit of the Scottish Highlands. Chapter 5. The Blue Train, a South African safari on rails. Our final journey takes us to the southern tip of Africa, to the vibrant nation of South Africa, a land of contrasting landscapes and rich cultural heritage. Here, we board the Blue Train, an icon of luxury and elegance, for a journey that combines opulence with breathtaking scenery. The Blue Train is not just a train, it's a destination in itself. Its carriages are adorned with plush furnishings, gleaming brass, and panoramic windows that frame the ever-changing landscapes outside. Our journey begins in Pretoria, South Africa's administrative capital, a city of historical significance and stately architecture. As we leave the city behind, the landscape transforms, revealing the vastness and diversity of the South African landscape. We traverse the Highveld, a plateau characterized by wide open spaces, golden grasslands, and scattered acacia trees. Herds of antelope graze peacefully, while birds of prey soar overhead, their silhouettes stark against the azure sky. As we journey southwards, the landscape changes once more. We enter the Karoo, a semi-desert region of stark beauty. Here, the earth is painted in hues of ochre and burnt orange, while rugged mountains rise abruptly from the arid plains. The Karoo is a land of extremes, where life clings tenaciously to the arid landscape. Yet, even here, beauty can be found in the smallest details: the delicate bloom of a desert flower, the intricate patterns etched into the sand by the wind. The Blue Train journey is not just about the scenery, it's about experiencing the warmth of South African hospitality. The staff, dressed in crisp uniforms, attend to our every need, ensuring that our journey is nothing short of unforgettable. As we approach our final destination, Cape Town, the landscape transforms once more. We enter the Cape Winelands, a region of rolling hills, lush vineyards, and charming Cape Dutch homesteads. The air is filled with the scent of pine and fynbos, a unique type of vegetation found only in the Cape Floral Kingdom, one of the world's biodiversity hotspots. It's a fitting end to our journey, a celebration of the beauty and diversity of South Africa. And so, our journey comes to an end, but the memories we've made will last a lifetime. We've witnessed the breathtaking beauty of our planet, from the snow-capped peaks of the Swiss Alps to the rugged coastlines of New Zealand, the vast plains of South Africa, the wild beauty of the Canadian Rockies, and the haunting landscapes of the Scottish Highlands. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. Until our next adventure, may your journeys be filled with wonder and discovery.